Hello everyone and welcome to the Mesh Selection Modes tutorial for Blender. We're just going to go over a very basic thing for modeling, which is when you're in edit mode, you can actually select what kind of selection mode you want, which means you can either select vertices, edges, or faces. And I'll show you that right now. It's very self-explanatory. If we just go into edit mode real quick by hitting the tab key, I can now press Control Tab, and that will bring up a menu for mesh selection mode. And that means you can choose to either go into vertex select mode, edge select mode, or face select mode. By default, it is vertex select mode, so right now you can select vertices. If I went ahead and did Control Tab and selected edge selection mode, you could do that as well, and now you can see you are selecting edges instead of vertices. And of course you can do face select mode, which means you can select individual faces here. So pretty self-explanatory. It's very helpful for when you're modeling. And yeah, that's how you change your mesh selection mode.